guys, it's your boy, Jermaine, Sneakadoc, in the building. Hide your women and your children, because we're about to go to Goodwill and pillage the village. But that's what I do. So I went to Goodwill, found these like beat up Pradas, man. It was beat to the streets. A little rough, but I saw some life in it. I was like, you know what? Let me grab those up for $5. Let me make the leather even extra buttery. You know what I'm saying? Let's get some extra lovin's in there. Let's go ahead and put that stuff on Poshmark, DePop, and Mercari. Stuff about $130. You know, let's do it. Why not? It's a luxury shoe. But yeah, really nice. I like how they came out. As you can see, my boy modeled them, so bottoms might be a little bit dirty. But I'm gonna clean that up here in a second. But yeah, I like how the leather came out though. There's a couple of scuffs on there that came out. And the leather is just very beautiful. Show you guys the inside. Got that Prada made in Italy. The finest leather that Italy has to offer. Okay. So yeah, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. I'm going to have more videos coming out. I'm going to be doing this restoration on these very rare Jordan 12s. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. But these are a size 8Y, which is like an 8 men's or like a 9.5 women's. Got the shoelaces. I bleached them already, but I'm gonna touch up the gold. There's like a little painting that I might have to do, so you guys can see this. It's like a little scuff in leather, little scuffs here that I can take care of. You know, I'm just gonna make it really nice. These are going for like $500 plus, like new on go. Ridiculous. You know how Jordans are. They're blowing up, son. But anyways, hopefully look forward to this restoration video. I have more coming soon. I will be having a thrift haul video of my 2021 thrift hauls, like the stuff that I have now that haven't sold, and then some of the stuff that has sold. We'll be just like putting up pictures and stuff like that. But hit me up on my Instagram, my DePop, my Mercari. If you see anything in my store, hit me up. I will do deals and steals because, you know, hey, we got to get you guys fashionable for a cheap price. So here we go. Alright guys, just found these Prada shoes at Goodwill. Got them for $4. They're a little beat, a little worn, but I'm gonna do a little restoration project on them. A little scratched up. Definitely been worn. The quality of the leather is just so amazing. But of course it's faded, as you guys can see. And man, they were going to town on these, but still got some good life left in them. And your boy, aka Sneakadoc, is going to do some surgery and bring life to these and probably sell them, I'd say, for like $80. Let's say, why not make a little profit and get you guys a nice little restoration on this fine Prada leather from Italy. Alright guys, let's see how it turns out. Alright, so first what you want to do is we're going to undo these laces. You can really tell that these are premium laces. So definitely think these are 100% genuine real. I think I've sold Pradas before. I think I sold 2 Pradas before, and they sell quick. They sell for good money. Alright. Take a brush and we're going to brush off all of that dust. Let's get all that. Now I'm going to kind of take the sandpaper. Try to get these scuff marks. Dude looks like he hit a curve or something. So I'm going to try to smooth it out best I can. Alright, so till it's nice and smooth, put that over there. I'm going to get that brush again. Brush off that dust, that leather dust. See, it's still a little scruffy, but I'm going to see if this lotion will help restore it. So what I'm using, I got this for free. This is Herman Survivors Leather Lube. Conditions, softens, and restores leather. See how it works out. I got this applier. I'm just gonna dippy-doo-dah that up in there. Substantial amount. Let's start rubbing it in there. Come to think of it, I think I even have an old Prada box for some Pradas that I fell apart. What's up? Yeah, thank you, Bobby. High five. Thank you, kid. Hey, be a good boy, all right? Don't drive your mama crazy. Man, this is really coming out good. I'm going to try to see if I can get the tongue here. There we go. Get in there nice and get in all them crevices. There we go. Alright, now we'll put that over there. I'm going to kind of rub it down with this microfiber towel to get any hairs or crumbs or whatever, any excess. Alright, that. That scuff area is looking really good. But yeah, now you got a shine to it. Looking really good, actually. So stuff is doing the trick. And I'll show you the other shoe. Scuff mark is looking pretty nasty there. And it's still faded in places, if you can see. But yeah, we're about to fix that too. All right, let's turn these Pradas into some money. All right, guys, so finished with that. They're looking really good, especially for when I take pictures. People are like, what? I'm like, I'm definitely going to be sporting those. The black shoes, triple black Pradas. Oh, yeah. He's going to be gone in 60 seconds, guys. All right, I'll be back with the shoelaces, and we'll tie them up, and I'll do a final shot. You guys, if you guys like this restoration I did on these Pradas, let me know. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to do restoration videos probably every week because I have a lot of back product So a lot of shoes that need to be restored. But I specialize in suede, leather, all kinds of materials, nubuck. I'm going to show you guys how to condition your shoes for resale, baby. Because you know we got to pay these bills around here. And shout out to, what is this? Harrison Survivors Leather Lube. Yeah, bruh. They did the job. Appreciate you, Harrison, because your boy's about to get paid. All right, guys. And then I will also have my Sneakadoc link to my Instagram. You guys follow me. And till next time, look forward to some new videos because this is my first restoration video. So this is what we're going to be doing. Later.